Dear student, today in this video we are going to learn about the IUPAC nomenclature for coordination compound. There are some rules which are recommended by IUPAC for the naming of a coordination compound. The rules are as follows. Rule 1. In naming complex ion or a neutral molecule, write the name of ligand first, then write the name of a metal. Rule 2. In anionic ligand, chain its ending, that is IDE with O and ATE with ATO. For example, chloride, which is an anionic ligand. Now in this chloride ending with IDE, this IDE will be replaced by O. That's why it will become as chloro. Now the another example we can take, that is carbonate. In this carbonate ending with ATE, this ATE will replace by ATO. That's why read as carbonato. Now the rule 3rd. In writing the name of complex, there should not be any space between ligand and central metal ion. And all are written in a sequence. For example, hexacyanoferrate second ion. In this ligand, that is cyano, central metal ion ferrate, all are written in a sequence without any space. Now the rule 4. After writing the name of metal, writes its oxidation state in Roman in parenthesis bracket, like this. Now the rule 5. If the complex have two or more same type of ligand, then prefix like di, tri, tetra, etc. For example, Cl2. In this, there are two chlorine are present. That's why they are prefixes as dichloro. Another example we can take, that is Cl3. In this, three chlorine are present. That's why prefix like tri is added and written as trichloro. Now the rule 6. If more than one type of ligand are present, then they are written alphabetically order, considering the name of ligand, not prefix or a formula. For example, tetraaqua and dichloro. There are these two ligands in which prefixes of tetraaqua is T and prefixes of dichloro is D. But in this method, we have to consider the first alphabet of the ligand, not the prefixes. So in this way, tetraaqua will be written first and dichloro written later on. Rule 7. If the name of ligand itself contain numerical prefixes, then display prefix bis for 2, tris for 3, tetrakis for 4, and so on. For example, En by 2. In this, we can write this for 2 bis, and name of ligand is ethylene diamine. Now the rule 8. The name of central metal ion or a metal ion in cationic or neutral complexes are written as usual, but in anionic complex it will end with ATE. For example, Ferrous in anionic complex will be written as ferrate. Another example we can take, that is chromium. In this, chromium will be written as chromate. So students, these are the rules for naming of a complex compound. Hope you will understand. If you have any problem, then write me in comment box or call or WhatsApp me. Now in the next video we shall solve the various example based upon the rules which are recommended by IUPAC. Do not forget, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.